take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Yes, tofu can definitely be included on a keto diet. There are 1.6 grams net carbs per 100 grams serving of tofu. We do want to say that you should always try to source sprouted and organic tofu so that you avoid GMOs, which is very common in soy crops.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
According to Keto Summit, there are a few reasons why soy products, such as tofu and soy milk, aren't great options for the keto diet. One is that they are high in phytoestrogens, which could affect hormone levels.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
No, at least not traditional hummus that uses chickpeas. Hummus is made with chickpeas, which are classified as legumes. Legumes like chickpeas, soybeans, etc., are avoided on keto because they are high carbs and low in fat. That's the opposite of what you want on keto.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.